Are you looking to buy a house but limited on funds? There is a program for you. It's called the USDA RD, Rural Development Home Loan Program, that offers qualified buyers 100% purchase price, no money down. I want to show you where to find those properties, what areas are approved, and the income limits as well. My name is Nathan Ruffney. I'm a mortgage loan originator here in the state of California, licensed to do business with that USDA program. Now, USDA is in a specific area of a county in the state of California. So I want to take you to that site on where to find the areas that are approved where you can potentially purchase a home with no money down. So go to Google, go to USDA property lookup because it's a long email. Press enter, and I'm going to have the link below as well, so if you don't want to type it in, I'll have the link. You want to go to the first one, which is this one, and this is going to take you to the USDA eligibility website. Property eligibility, that's what you want. It's going to default to that tab anyway, so you're going to, if it's not defaulted there, make sure you go to property eligibility. You're going to go down here to accept. You're going to put in it needs to find a pinpoint. So I don't have a particular property in mind, so I'm just going to do our address here at the office. And if you want to put your home address, it just needs a pinpoint a property for right now. So this property is not available. I know that because it's in an area that's heavily populated. You think rural area, think a place like in Kansas. It's not like that with the USDA. We do have a vast in the metropolitan area of LA that's not approved. Any of the 10 areas here is not approved in the USDA lending area, but all the white areas are approved for you to purchase a property and a house for sale in the area here that is white. You got the mountain communities here that are approved. You got Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs. Out here in the desert, I think you got Cathedral City. Nope, not Cathedral City, but Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, Cabazon. So if you're looking in those properties in these areas to purchase a home with no money down, the USDA, it might be a program for you. That's why you need to explore this program. As you can see, the Wildomar, Rainbow down here in San Diego County, Fallbrook, Valley Center, but you can get down all the way to the street address, or the street, not the address, but the street. So you can see all this here in Winchester down to the street. You can see that it is going to be in the approved lending area. You may not want to live there, but if you're limited on funds and you want to own a property, a house here in California, and you're looking at a great program, USDA's zero money down. It has a very small upfront fee that's tacked onto the loan, so you don't have to pay for that out of pocket. And with the mortgage insurance, it's the lowest of the FHA or the conventional. It's the lowest monthly of them all. They do change, so currently it's at 0.35 on a monthly, which is lower than FHA at a 0.85 factor. So it's a great program. The other fantastic thing that USDA offers is if the home appraises for more than what the property is you're purchasing it for. Let's say you're buying it for $250,000 and the property appraises for $260,000. That extra $10,000 we can finance your closing cost. So that money that you put into escrow, that $1,000 to $2,000 that you open escrow with your realtor, do speak with your realtor about your earnest money deposit, on how much you want to open up escrow with. That money, if not utilized, is going to get refunded back to you if it's not utilized. But that has to be that you're buying it for $250,000, the home price is for $260,000. With that extra $10,000, we use that freed up equity to finance your closing costs. That is the only purchase program right now available that you can finance your closing costs as long as the purchase amount is higher than what the appraised value is higher than your purchase amount. Great interest rates on this program, the USDA. The guidelines do change when it comes to the credit scores from lender to lender, so do be cognizant of that. Each lender will have their own set of rules on what lending credit score they're going to go to, a 600, 620, or 640. So do check with each lender. Do call me for ours. We do change programs just like everybody else when it comes to credit score. But this is a great program. But if you're looking in a specific area that you want to purchase in Jurupa Valley, Riverside, you can see it's just not available. But in the whole state of California, I'm here in Southern California, but you can see the whole state of California has a lot of areas that are approved in the USDA territory. Let me go back out here. I'm going to go up to Northern California a little bit. Tehachapi is a great little area that is approved. Tehachapi, California. So look at that, 100% financing. You do have little parts of Oak Hills down here in the Apple Valley area, Phelan, Pinion Hills. This is all approved, 100% no money down, as well as all these mountain communities are approved as well. Now we need an address though, so you need a specific address to plug it in here, and it's going to say it's approved or not. As you can see with this one here, it's going to say this address is not located in an eligible area because of the population. But if it's in the approved area, it's going to be green and it says this property is eligible in the lending area. So you do want to look at that. But look at this program. Look at the USDA. We don't do enough here in California. If you're limited on your money for the down payment and for closing costs, also too for the closing costs, the seller can pay for your closing costs, but you need to connect with your agent on how you want to present your offer. Look at this program. It's an easy qualifying program. You do need to speak with a qualified lender that knows the USDA program, like myself, Nathan Ruffey here at Mountain West, and we are licensed in the state of California to do the USDA home loan purchase program. I'd love to connect with you, talk to you about this program, the USDA home loan, zero money down. Look into it. Now, if you know somebody that's looking to purchase a home with limited funds that wants to live out in these particular areas, then pass this video along to them and show them. But if you're looking in the LA market, the Inland Empire market, you're going to be limited on where you can go because as you can see, all these, the tan areas are not approved for the USDA home loan program. And also with the income with this, there's no loan limit. So you can purchase up to $1 million, but there is a limit based on the county that you're sitting in. So I'm going to take you here to the county. All you have to do is click on the income links, or excuse me, link for the income limits. It's generally 1 to 4, and then 5 and above. Go into here, go to California, which I'm in, go to the state that you're in. California, it's going to be down in here. So I'm going to take it in my California because I'm only licensed here in California. So should have taken me right when I clicked it. Should have taken me there. But here's San Bernardino, Riverside. We're going to take the moderate income right here, 78,000, and this is up to 4 people, as you can see up here. 1 to 4 people, 78,000, and then 5 to 8 plus people is 103,000. So that means everybody that's applying for the loan cannot make more than 78,200 if it's up to 4 individuals. 5 or more is 103, which is very, very healthy in these particular areas. So those are where you find the income qualifications as well on the site. So go to income limits here and find your income limit for that particular county, and they do go by counties. Let's go back to there again. And it should take me right back to when I clicked California. It should take me right to California, but apparently it didn't. But you can see with the California one, let's go back to California, you're going to take that moderate income area one, but they're different through each county. So LA and all the counties in California, but they're all going to be 78. But you got Napa, which is $107,100 up to that 4th person. So do look in here. You go by the moderate income loan. Here's the bottom one. That's the one you're going to go off on. But I'm here, Riverside, San Bernardino County. It's going to be this bottom one right there. So if you make below those income limits and you're looking into those rural areas, connect with me. Call me at 909-503-5600, and let's explore this program and see if this program is is right for you, put it all together and present it to you, and connect with a realtor to find you a home in this particular area. Hopefully we can get it at a great price that it appraises higher than what you agree upon to purchase it for, and you're buying a home for the appraisal cost and the home inspection, which is typically combined less than $1,000 for you to purchase a home. But all those elements have to click. Either comes in at value and the seller pays for your closing costs, which can happen, and you only have to pay for the appraisal and the home inspection. And the home inspection is not required, but definitely highly recommended to do a home inspection. It's worth the money. So connect with me, Nathan Ruffty, at 909-503-5600, and I love to work with you and putting you into a home regarding this USDA program. Make it a great day, and I look forward to connecting with you. Bye.